Welcome to Light Tutorials. Edit pins are the little dots you see on your image as you use filters and brushes with the masking tool in Lightroom. Sometimes they can be missing, and when you go to an image where you know you have made such edits, this can be very frustrating. In the lower left of the viewing pane, there is a menu called Show Edit Pins. If you cannot see this, go up to View and Show Toolbar or press T on your keyboard. Auto means the edit pins will be visible whenever the cursor is over the photo. They will automatically disappear when you move the cursor off the photo for whatever reason. Always means that the pins will always be visible while that particular editing tool is switched on. Selected means only the selected pin will be visible. This can be useful when working in an area with multiple edits close to each other. You'd have to reveal them all again to work on another one. Never means that the pins are never visible. This is where issues can arise. If you move to another photo with this selected, the edit pins won't show on that photo either. If you try to create a new mask, it will look like you're not doing anything, when all along you were. Pressing the H key will hide all the pins. Press H again, and they will return. This is essentially toggling between always and never. Crop Overlay, Remove, and Red Eye all have Tool Overlay with the same options which work in the same manner as Show Edit Pins. Note, in a recent Lightroom update, in the Remove tool, the Tool Overlay has moved from the lower left of the viewing pane to within the Remove tool window itself. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.